Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your music Wi-Fi streaming to high quality lossless or high resolution lossless on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. In here, tap on settings, and in settings go down and tap on music. Next, you want to go down and tap on audio quality, and then tap on Wi-Fi streaming. Next, tap on high quality lossless or high resolution lossless. So choose one of the options, and you can see if you are choosing the high quality, your data usage will be 6 megabytes. If you are choosing lossless, your data usage will be 36 megabytes. And then if you are choosing high resolution lossless, your data usage will be 145 megabytes. And that is a significant increase compared to high quality. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous menu, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.